In this video, you'll learn how to delete a CMS collection in Webflow. By following these steps, you will successfully remove unwanted collections from your project. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard. Open your project labeled Marvelous Shop. Once you're in the correct project, you should see the main workspace with various options on the left-hand side. Next, locate and click on the CMS option from the left sidebar. This will take you to the CMS collections page displaying all your existing collections. Ensure you see the list of collections before proceeding. After that, you will need to click on the CMS area again to access the specific collection you want to delete. Confirm that the collection you wish to remove is visible on your screen. Now locate the gear icon, which represents settings, typically found at the top right area of the CMS interface. Clicking this will open a settings menu where you can manage your collection. If you notice that the delete collection option is grayed out or cannot be clicked, this may indicate that there are items within the collection that need to be addressed first. You must remove or unpublish any items before deletion is possible. Proceed by selecting the 5 items within the collection that you want to delete. This can be done by checking the boxes next to the items listed. Ensure that you select all necessary items before moving forward. Once the items are selected, click on the Select option to confirm your selection. This will allow you to manage the selected items collectively. Now, find and click on the Delete option that appears. This action will initiate the process to remove the selected items from your collection. You will then need to click on the Delete Permanently button to confirm the deletion of the selected items. This action cannot be undone, so ensure you are certain before proceeding. After deleting the items, click on the gear icon again to access the settings for the entire collection. This is necessary to proceed with deleting the collection itself. Next, click on the Delete Collection option that appears in the settings menu. This will prompt a warning message informing you that deleting the collection will also remove its associated collection page. You will see a message stating, "This will delete the collection and its collection page. Neither can be restored after deletion." Confirm that you understand the implications of this action. Finally, click on the Delete button once again to permanently remove the collection from your Webflow project. This confirms that you wish to delete the collection and all its contents. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.